just writing a letter to Mom. Cool. Yeah, I'm writing down for homework.
What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need, and you decided this. What you say? What did she say? Some notes keep falling out your mouth. Mid-sweet talk.
What did I do?
What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need, and you decided this. What you say? What did she say? Some notes keep falling out your mouth. Mid-sweet talk, newspaper workers. What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need, and you decided this. What you say? What did she say? Some notes keep falling out your.
Hey guys, how was your day?
Dear Mom, by the time you read
What you say? That you only meant. What you say? That you. What you say? 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 That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is.
Roll some Easter egg. Oh, I didn't expect this. Dear Mom, by the time you read this, I will be egged. This is how it's going to happen. Asher will egg me, then I will egg Asher. Then Wells will come in and get egged by Asher. Then you will come in and get egged by Wells, Asher, and I multiple times. Love, your eldest, Grant. P.S. Then Dad will read this letter and egg himself. That is the most ridiculous thing I've ever.
What you say? That you only meant well. What you say? 'Cause you did. What you say? What you said you only meant well. What you said? 'Cause you did. What you said? What you said? What you said? What you say?